I'm Dr. David Axelrod, and I'm a pediatric cardiologist here at Stanford.
I'm David Sarno, and I run Lighthaus, which is a virtual reality education company that I founded about 5 years ago at a JSK Journalism Fellowship at Stanford.
The Stanford Virtual Heart is a virtual reality congenital heart disease experience that we built really to teach and train students, trainees, and physicians at Stanford and beyond, and also for patients and families to help understand about congenital heart defects. The important challenge that we're addressing with our project is that the content is very three-dimensional, and teaching someone what's called relational anatomy, which is this 3D concept of where certain parts of the heart are in relation to other parts of the heart, is really very difficult with two-dimensional structures. And so for years we've really asked trainees and also patients and families to take these two-dimensional pictures and construct a 3D image in their head.
We really needed to add a rigorous pedagogy to these virtual reality experiences in order to make them really a strong learning experience. And that's a lot of what TWT helped us do, was to sit and think, well, you have this great resource for learning, but how do you build a framework around it that's going to help students and that's also going to be the basis for virtual reality enhanced teaching in the future?
Right, so the current status of our virtual reality heart project is that we have a core subject matter of the actual content in VR, and we've now been able to create really the beginnings of that blended learning platform between virtual reality and the online course content. The TWT grant and workshop helped us immensely. We were able to, initially the first part of it really is connecting with a number of leaders on Stanford campus in various different fields of expertise. So whether that's assessment or learning management systems or the filming and studio here at the VPTL studio. So those resources are really invaluable to being able to develop the educational pedagogy in our program.